The HPGR and the new HPGR Pro are the market leaders in grinding mineral raw materials. The clear advantage of the HPGR Pro is more and better performance with lower production costs. Among many other benefits, the HPGR Pro offers a newly developed innovative mechanical skew limitation, which limits the skew of the roller and automatically maintains it in a non-critical range. For the grinding process, this means a better and more even distribution of grinding pressure across the entire width of the roll. Better safety, lower and more even wear, resulting in less downtime, reduced service costs, and improved grinding quality. In short, better results and higher efficiency at lower cost. Here, in front of the head of the HPGR Pro is the core of the skew limiter, the innovative hydraulic pressure system with mechanical skew limiter. 4 piston accumulators able to be synchronized are connected together via a coupling. The hydraulic system is supplemented by mechanical protection that safely and reliably limits the maximum inclined position of the floating roller, even in the event of extreme one-sided loading or an emergency stop. But how exactly does the newly developed and patented skew limiter work? In this schematic diagram, the 4 piston accumulators are arranged next to each other for demonstration purposes. Each pair is connected via the hydraulics to the pressure cylinders on the right and left of the floating roller. Piston pair 1 and 3 are connected to the left and piston pair 2 and 4 to the right. Piston pair 1 and 3 for the left side is firmly connected to the coupling. Piston pair 2 and 4 for the right side is movably connected to the coupling by 2 plain bearings. The desired maximum permissible skew of the floating roller is set via the limiting disc. Simple, mechanical, fast and safe. If uneven loads occur during the grinding process, the floating roller is able to move and tilt up to the maximum value set. If the load is greater, the clutch engages and all 4 piston accumulators move together by the same value. The floating roller will continue to retract in this state and will open the working gap to the extent that the working pressure requires. If the one-sided load from the material decreases once again, the system automatically moves the floating roller parallel to the fixed roller once more and reduces the working gap. As such, the system ensures optimal and even pressure of the rollers over their entire width, even with different and asymmetrical loads from the material to be ground. In this way, any potential damage by the roller to the rotating side plates is avoided. Innovative and intelligent technology makes this system better, efficient, simple and safe. The new HPGR Pro Skew Limiter.